Hey LinkedIn, are you an office manager or a custodial worker and someone in your office has spilled toner ink on your carpet? Well, I've got a tip that might just save your carpet and may make you the hero of the office. Hey everybody, my name is Eric Cole. I'm the owner of Columbia Carpet Cleaning, and toner ink can create a big mess in an office. The key to removing it is, step one, you do not want to use any water or any cleaning chemicals on it. Toner ink is a dry powder, and we want to keep it that way. The only way you can get that out successfully is with a vacuum. But how you vacuum is also very important. You don't want to use an upright vacuum with a beater bar. We don't want to agitate or rub that powder into the carpet. We just simply want to lift it out. So we want to use a vacuum that's got a hose attachment. A shop vac is great for this. Just take your time, go over every direction, and it's going to take time to get that out. But you got to basically just lift all that powder out of the carpet, and over time you'll start seeing it lighten up until hopefully it's gone. Sometimes there'll be a residual stain there where you may need to hire a professional just to use some chemicals to get that stain out. But most of the time you can get these out yourself. It just takes time. It just takes the right steps. Don't get it wet, don't agitate it, and you got a chance of getting it out and becoming the hero of the office. Take care.